As the new year begins, a new social weather station survey shows Filipinos are less optimistic than last year. Less than half now expect their quality of life to improve in the next 12 months, the lowest level in 16 years. Here's a report.
As the clock struck midnight, the skies above Rizal Park in Luneta, Manila lit up with a towering fireworks display. The view was nothing short of spectacular for the thousands who welcomed the new year there. The fireworks show lasted for about 10 minutes. At the Quezon Memorial Circle, some Filipinos chose to spend the first day of 2026 here. We spoke to several of them. Despite the country's controversies, many say they remain hopeful as the new year begins.
Yung pag-asa, wala naman yun kung hindi ka magsusumikap sa buhay, di ba? Siguro hindi naman kailangan matakot. Harapin mo na lang kung ano yung meron na darating.
May pag-asa po. Pag-asa. Prayer ang kailangan lang.
Based on the latest study by the social weather stations, many Filipinos say they expect their quality of life to improve over the next 12 months. According to the survey conducted from November 24 to 23, 2025, 44% of Filipinos are optimistic. This is higher than the 38% who believe there will be no change in their lives and the 8% who expect things to get worse. If we look purely at the numbers, the optimism level may seem high, but this is lower than the 90% recorded last year and the 96% logged in the 2023 survey ahead of 2024. Based on SWS data, this is the lowest optimism level since 2009 or in the last 16 years. According to an expert, Filipinos have been heavily affected by the flood control scandal.
Itong nangyaring flood control scandal, yung corruption sa gobyerno that I think is really taking its toll on the public and the perception, particularly with regards to the promise of good governance.
Because of this, these have also become part of Filipinos' manifestations for the year.
Sana po, maibalik na nila yung perang ninakaw nila.
Bakit po kayo affected doon sa issue na yun?
Kasi syempre nagbabayad din po ako ng tax.
Maayos na yung sa flood control, yung about doon. Ang laking pera nun sayang.
Anong manifestation nyo for 2026?
World peace. World peace. Iwas kurakot.